everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a week, I believe, or a little bit longer just because work got in the way, but I'm back with another video today. I'm really excited to share with you some of my skincare products that I like to enjoy and that I found have been really working these last few months. So I'm really happy to finally share them with you. I did get kind of a request to do this on my Instagram. Someone commented, it's like, we like to see your skincare products / routine. I'm not gonna do the routine today simply because it is the morning and you're not supposed to do hefty stuff to your skin in the morning because it kind of unbalances the pH of your skin, which can cause acne, it can cause redness, just can cause a lot of unhappy things. Excuse the fact that my hair, I don't know why it always curls like this in the front, regardless of what I do. Even if I straighten it, it still does that, so we're just gonna try to ignore that. I'm gonna jump in. I have a few products to go over. I'm gonna kind of just go over them and explain to them why I like them and what they do for my skin. Before I begin, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what you see today. The content is about to get better. I am going to be posting more makeup looks in the next video, starting in the next video, and then it'll be more makeup looks from there. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's jump right into the video. So I am going to start off with kind of my cleansers. I'll start with the makeup remover. Actually, the makeup remover is kind of your base, especially if you're like me. I wear makeup every day to work, and it's really important to take your makeup off. And I know that sometimes it can be a little bit of a hassle to get it off, especially that mascara. If you have waterproof mascara, you know the struggle of it clumping into your lashes, and no matter what, your makeup remover just won't take it off and you're stuck with like clumps in your lashes. So my go-to makeup remover is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. This stuff is the bomb, honestly. It melts off everything you could possibly want off your skin. It's also helped me maintain like a nice soft complexion. I do have dry skin and it's been particularly bad recently, and it's just kind of that transition from winter into spring. There's not enough moisture quite yet. It's coming, but the winter cold, chill, dryness is still in the air. So this stuff, summer, winter, fall, spring is my go-to. I love this stuff beyond words. This is my third jar. It smells like, I don't know why it reminds me of sour candy, like green apple sour candy smell. But I love this so much. It doesn't irritate my skin. I do have like spots of acne, especially here. Along my chin and here. My forehead's not terrible, but I do have spots where acne is an issue. This doesn't irritate it, which is so important. None of the skincare products I'm about to show you irritate my acne, which is incredibly important, especially when you're trying to get rid of it. So the next thing I'm gonna jump into is micellar water. Now this is the Garnier micellar water. This is the only one that I'll use. I don't use it for full face. I use this to remove excess eye makeup because I find that this dries my skin out. But it is effective for eye makeup, especially if you're the kind of person that likes to cut your crease and you like to wipe away the base or just get a really clean line before you lay your concealer. This is a great product. I do prefer the regular one. I did try the sensitive skin one and it just wasn't nearly as effective for me. It still left a residue, which I was not a fan of. This one is your go-to. This one's the best one that I think is out there. It's the best one that I tried. So I'm talking really fast and I'm losing my breath. So this is the best one that I think is out there. This, for myself anyways, this is the one that I've used more than any other. I did try the Biore charcoal micellar water and the scent irritated my skin like crazy. So if you have a scent irritation, try to get one that's scentless. This one it doesn't have any scent, so hence the word scentless. That is my best one for removal of eye makeup. Just to like use a Q-tip, get any brow, of the gel or pencil I have in there. Remove any eyeliner that's pesky right against my lashes. That's your go-to. So every once in a while, I will use a mask. I don't use masks often because I do have sensitive skin and I don't like to irritate it. But if I'm just feeling like my skin is kind of black, like I will go in with the Glam Glow. This is the brightening treatment. I do really like this mask. I love the way it makes my skin feel and it smells like amazing. It smells like iced tea. And it is like, it does have little tiny microbeads in it. They are dissolvable, I believe. I mean, don't quote me on that. I'm not 100% sure. But these ones do exfoliate the skin and just kind of resurface the skin, gives it a nice glow. I do really appreciate this mask. It is expensive. I think it's $69, which is a lot for, I believe this is, I can't find the measurement. Oh, it's like right there. It's 1.7 ounces. So it's $69 for 1.7 ounces. It's quite pricey. I do enjoy this one though. I do like that mask. I haven't found anything like it yet, and it makes my skin feel really nice. Again, without irritating my sensitivities or my acne. Again, really important. So after a mask, or just after my makeup remover in general, I will cleanse my skin. I always do this in the evening. I don't use a cleanser or any of this in the morning. When I wash my face in the morning, it's just water, like warm water, just to really refresh the skin, but not to strip it away. So you want those oils to be on your skin for the day. You can take them off with the rest of your makeup in the evening. You don't even take them off that badly. Don't quote me on this. I can't remember how the process works. All I know is that if you wash your face with a cleanser in the morning, it does tend to strip away the oils and unbalance your pH in your skin, which is not a healthy way to start your day. So that's always no. But I do cleanse my face at the end of the day, especially if I've been wearing makeup. And I do really love the Glam Glow Super Cleanse. This is basically the cleanser version of their famous mask. I don't think it's called the Super Cleanse mask. It's the black mask that's, you know, great for people with acne. It is a very stringent cleanser, which is why I like using it with the pharmacy cleanser, because it kind of, that's really gentle. This kind of removes just any residue left over, and my skin doesn't feel red. It's just kind of finding that balance between harsh and gentle and putting them together, creating kind of a nice balance. This stuff I use only if I've worn makeup. After I've worn makeup, I don't use this on bare skin. If I'm just at the end of the day have a shower, I will just use water and my toners that I'll show you in a minute. I don't use this unless I've worn makeup, just because it is quite harsh. Okay, so the next two things I have are toners. I use one more than the other, but they are both by the same brand. These are both Pixie by Petra toners. So this is their Rose Water one, their Rose Tonic. This one is my favorite. This is their Glow Tonic, hence why it's bigger. This one I was excited to try because I do have redness, and rose is great for redness. I do know a lot of people tend to be allergic to rose scent. If you're not though, this is a great toner. It's very gentle, it's not harsh at all, and it smells lovely. I love rose scent. I'm not allergic, thank goodness, but I love this one. It is a little bit oily. It's rose and elderflower. Elderflower is great for your skin, so is rose. But this one's kind of just like after I've cleansed, right before I moisturize, I will put this on if I've been having redness. I don't use this one all the time though, because it is oily, and I don't, well, it's not really oily, but it does kind of have like a residue feeling to it. So this is great if your skin is going through a red patch. Now the Glow Tonic, I use this if I've worn makeup or if I'm just washing my face at the end of the day. I love the way this feels. It is an exfoliating toner. It has 5% glycolic acid in it. So this will just kind of help take that very top layer of skin and just exfoliate, make it feel nice and smooth. So when you put your lotion on, it can absorb properly. I love this one. It is alcohol free, which is great, especially for someone with sensitive, dry skin. It's alcohol free. I use this after I've done like the Glam Glow Super Cleanse, and I'm out of the shower and my face is like completely bare. I'll put this on before my moisturizer. I usually give it a minute or two to sink in because I just really want it to absorb and kind of do its magic. Again, this hasn't irritated my acne. If anything, it's kind of helped bring it down. It's still there, as you can see, but this helps kind of just keep it under control, which I'm very excited about. So the next products that I have to show you are moisturizers in their own means. There is one that I'll start with that I'm almost out of. This is Carmex. It's lip balm. Lip balm of any kind, as long as it's moisturizing, is so important for your lips. Nobody likes chapped lips. It's probably one of the most uncomfortable feelings in my entire life. It always makes me really agitated when my lips are dry, so I always have lip balm. This one is one of my favorites. It's the Carmex one. I just found this at London Drugs. I live in Canada. If you don't know what London Drugs is, it's in Canada. But it's one of the best lip balms. I do really like the way it feels. It's on right now. It's not very heavy. It does keep your lips nice and moisturized. It gives it a little bit of a sheen, which is always lovely. So yeah, that's a lip balm. Lip balm is important. Now one of my favorite moisturizers that I put on my skin that I'm almost out of, I will be buying during the VIB Rouge sale is the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. As you could tell, I'm almost out. This is a water-based primer, or not primer, it's a water-based moisturizer. Now for dry skin, water-based moisturizers are great because dry skin, I don't know if it's like this for everybody, but I have dry skin and anything with an oil base tends to stick to my skin and it doesn't absorb and it gives me such an oily look face and it feels disgusting. It does irritate my acne, so I do love this one, as you can probably tell. It is pretty much scentless. It has kind of like a scent, like not a scent, but you know what I mean. Like every product kind of has a smell because there are products in it. But it does have a scent and it is very gentle on my skin. It does give me such a nice feeling on top of everything. It is great for the winter months when it is really dry. This stuff makes your skin feel really bomb, especially if you use an exfoliating toner or exfoliating cleanser. This is my favorite. I love it so much. I will always buy this one and I'm so glad that I was able to try it and I fell in love. So the last moisturizer is from Paula's Choice. This is Paula's Choice Youth Extending Daily Hydrating Fluid. This is definitely better for the summer months because it is not as heavy of a moisturizer, but it has SPF 50, which is so important for your skin. SPF, sunscreen, stuff like this is going to keep your skin looking younger longer. I'm not lying. Sun damage to your skin can age it really quick. You know, people who spend a lot of time out in the sun and don't use sunscreen, you get sunburns, and gradually over time your skin will lose its elasticity. It'll start to kind of shrivel like leather. Like that's why there's the leather skin thing like people have, because it's sun exposure without taking care of it. So this is Paula's Choice SPF 50 Hydrating. This is going to help keep your skin younger looking because it is SPF and it's going to protect from sun damage. It's not going to be some miracle youthful serum, but just the fact that it's SPF and going to be protecting you from the sun, that is why it's going to help keep your skin looking better longer. I'm really excited. Paula's Choice is a great brand, by the way. It's very natural. If you haven't tried it yet, it is a little bit pricey, but it is worth it. I would definitely recommend. So there is one more thing that I want to talk about. Water, of course, is great for everything, but I will let you know that drinking water is not going to rehydrate your skin magically. It's actually a fact that only 1% of water that you drink resurfaces to your skin. Drinking water is so important though, you know, to keep your body cleansed, to keep it moisturized inside, just to keep everything kind of flowing smoothly. Water is so important for your skin, for your internal organs, for everything. At least, like, from what I've learned, water is a very effective means of keeping yourself healthy. It's not ideal if you just drink water and expect your skin to be plump and gorgeous, because that's not the case. Water is only 1%, like I said, reaches the surface of your skin. It does absolutely help keep things flushed, but it's not going to moisturize. It flushes bacteria and all that kind of fun stuff out. The more you drink, the better. But water is one of your best friends and it's healthy for you, and it's just great to kind of flush and reset and just have to keep your body functional. So before I end today's video, I do want to talk about one thing. I am going to be having another skincare product in the mail coming pretty soon, but it is going to be all on its own because I'm really excited. It's a new brand. They started last year. It is a solo person. She does her own packaging, she does her own filling, she mixes everything. It is a very, very, very natural skincare product. I am trying one of their products. My mom is also going to be trying one of their products. They are a little bit more expensive. They are from California. Shipping is about $26 Canadian, or US, sorry, and the products aren't actually that bad for what you get. So I'm going to be trying one of theirs. I'm going to keep it a secret until I get it in the mail, and then I'm going to be doing a first video, basically day one using this product, and then I'm going to kind of refilm another video in the future showing how it's worked, because it does take time to effectively show its results, and I really hope it works because it is for acne, and I'm really excited because I want to get rid. I have some on my neck, mostly my chin, my like jawline, not jawline, but like this part. I can't remember what it's called. basically your cheekbone, between your cheekbone and your jawline. And my forehead isn't terrible, but it could use some work. I'm really excited to try one of her products. If I like it, there's a couple others that I really want to try. It's just a matter of I just want to try one at first, just to make sure and not spend my money on stuff that I'm not going to enjoy. But I'm really excited. I am going to be making a video about that when it comes in the mail. It should be here next week, so expect that to be next week's video. We're just going to go over, do first impressions and all that fun stuff. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys kind of took some knowledge away. Again, my skincare products are not going to work for everybody. It all depends on your skin type and what your skin can handle, what you're allergic to, all that fun stuff. But this is my skincare routine. It's been working for me. I'm really excited. I hope you guys enjoyed again, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next week's video. Thank you guys for watching.